everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send money to a stranger using Apple Pay through Apple Cash. Whether you're paying someone for a service, buying an item locally, or reimbursing someone, Apple Cash makes it easy to transfer money directly from your iPhone. Let's begin. Before sending money, you'll need to have an Apple Cash enabled on your device. So open the Settings app, tap Wallet in Apple Pay, select Apple Cash and make sure it's turned on. Follow any prompt to complete the setup process if you haven't already. Once Apple Cash is active, you're ready to send money. And then you need to get the recipient's contact information. To send money, you'll need the person's phone number or email address associated with their Apple account. Double check the information before proceeding to ensure the money goes to the correct recipient. And then open the Messages app. Launch the Messages app on your iPhone, start a new conversation, or open an existing one with the person you'd like to pay. If the recipient uses Apple devices and has Apple Cash enabled, you can send money directly through the Messages, and then you need to review the send payment. So I need you to tap Send. Review the payment details carefully, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or device passcode. Once verified, the payment will be sent. And of course, you need to confirm the transaction. After the payment is completed, you will see a confirmation message in the conversation. The recipient will receive a notification that funds have been sent, and you can review the transaction later in the Wallet app. Remember, when sending money to someone you don't know, verify the recipient's identity before sending payment. Double check the phone number or email address. Be cautious when purchasing items from online marketplaces. Apple Cash payments can often be difficult to reverse once completed. Only send money to people you trust or when confident about the transaction. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to send money to a stranger using Apple Pay and Apple Cash. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.